What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. I got a guest back, Destiny. She is back. She did a video with me probably about a year ago, actually.
A little over a year.
A little over a year. She's back with her awkwardness. She's gonna be awkward, don't even mind her. But today is gonna be all about, I'm gonna give you a review of this nice eyeliner. I know it's usually used for only in the studio, but I'm gonna show you how I can use this to be used outdoors. Is the reason why I got it. I'm strictly, or not strictly, but I mostly do all my work outdoors. So I'm gonna show you how to use this nice eyeliner outdoors to, you know, reflect and bounce some of this light just to get it back into some of them shadows to kind of make everything all even out. So I want you to stay tuned to watch this video. Hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the content. Do you want to say anything?
Nope.
She don't want to say anything. Of course, all her information is going to be down in the description below, so please go give her a follow. If you want to work with her, hit up in the DMs. Let's get right into it. All right, what's up, y'all? Now y'all made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was actually pretty interesting using this eyeliner outdoors. Very difficult at times, but at the same time, really not. Headshots just have a typical clam setting outdoors like you would do in a studio to get, you know, nice headshots. So that's pretty much easy. But when using it full body, I definitely have to do some rigging, as you've seen in the video already, just to kind of, you know, put use to this thing. As you can see, it's pretty tall as well. This ain't the West Coast eyeliner, actually. This is the one from newer, actually. I got it out off of Amazon. Cost like 90 bucks, so, you know, it's a bargain one. I decided it was pretty good for me because I usually do stuff outdoors, so I feel like, you know, buying the Westcott one for, you know, $200 wasn't good. So I bought this for $90, a newer one. It's going to do me justice so when I want to use it. So just want to kind of give you this, show y'all how you can use this outdoors and this, you know, put use to this product. So Destiny, did you enjoy today's shooting with this weird?
Yes, I did.
Do you want to say, would you like to say anything else down here?
No.
Okay, she don't want to say anything else. If you want to work with her, her description is down, all her links and stuff are going to be in the description down below. If you like my content, please consider yourself subscribing. Also like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to help your boy out. And until the next video, peace. She's a cop in the work making, so. Oh shit. Fuck. Alright, I don't know. I kinda like this right now. I feel like a thief. And you're gonna run me down. And you're gonna run me